Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Hyatt Regency Valencia. This hotel boasts classic California architecture, complete with plenty of seating in the lobby and a range of amenities to ensure a comfortable stay. It's our third visit, and each time has been very pleasant. Also, it's a short 10-minute car ride to Six Flags Magic Mountain, which has some of the biggest roller coasters in the country. We had a lovely 2-queen bedroom on the 3rd floor, perfect for my 2 kids and me. The room was spacious enough for everyone. There's a closet by the entryway with a coffee maker and a safe. The queen beds had soft, fresh linens, though the pillows were a bit too soft. Plenty of storage in the drawers, plus a nice TV and a desk with USB-A ports for charging. Extra charging ports are on the alarm clock and the reading light on the beds. The view was of another guest's terrace and the golf course. The bathroom is dimly lit with basic amenities and a shower with average water pressure. The gym is small and compact, with just enough equipment for a very basic workout. Through the dirty windows, there is a view of the patio and swimming pool. Included are a few cardio machines and some free weights. 2 Peloton bikes are included. Peloton and Hyatt have collaborated so that members may receive World of Hyatt points on select workouts. I did receive my points shortly after my exercise session. It's not much, but a nice added benefit. Overnight self-parking is available across the street in the parking structure, and the cost is $17. As Hyatt Globalists, we were offered complimentary breakfast at the on-site restaurant Greater Pacific. The restaurant has ample seating with nice holiday decor. The food was fresh, tasty, and quite generous, including my lobster egg benedict. The weather was much too cold for us to go swimming, but Valencia has scorching summers, so this pool would be great during that season. Plenty of pool chairs and patio furniture as well. I had a really comfortable stay, especially if you're planning to visit Magic Mountain. Plus, there's a movie theater, shopping center, and restaurants just across the street. As a Category 3 on the Hyatt Point Redemption, it offers great value, and I think it's a hidden gem. The service is excellent, the rooms are tidy, the breakfast is delicious, and the facilities are comfy. What do you think? Thanks for watching.